Okay, so this right here is your second week, and you should already have your tree down. This right here raised off the edge, and it should be dry. And that was piece one, two, three, four, five, six, and now this is piece number seven. So I've already placed this here, and it is getting kind of set up. And so you want to put this piece on and let it dry before you start adding the other pieces. So here's been on for about 15-20 minutes. And with silicone, it takes about 20 minutes for your silicone to set up. So now, according to the guide, I got 7 on. I'm going to go for 8. So I turn my pieces up. This is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, and this is 12. So I'm going to put these on first, let that set up, and then I'll come back and add some more. Okay, so piece number 8. Is right here. And with the silicone already on, you want it to be off the edge a little bit. So you can place it. And you don't want to flatten it out. Okay, and where we have colored out, you see that it kind of lays right there in the spot. And then it's kind of a good idea to look at it on all angles to make sure that it's in place. Okay, so there's that piece. Now I'm going to do 9. And what you're putting on is what's furthest away. So like you see this leaf go over. So this is why this one has to go on before this one can go on. So we're going to place this one right here. Okay. Now 10 is the flowers. So I went ahead and I put silicone on the tip there, and then on the back of all the flowers. So you see where you color that out, so you can see that slides up to be about right there. You see the little bit of purple in that leaf, and then this right here needs to set down like this. Okay. And that's why you're going to do just a few pieces at a time. And with the wire, you can actually bend this back and have it touch like that, and that way it can stay off the top. So I'm going to go ahead and put 11 on, and then we'll put 12, and then we'll talk about the next pieces. So the other thing I want you to notice is that on your cutting guide you'll have like 11A, 11B, and that's because these pieces here, they have foldovers that I have already attached before I glue this on. Okay. So you find a place that you can start, and it's going to be this one down here. Okay. And then that one laid in its place. Okay. Now you see again why we would have put that piece on before we put this one. Okay. All right. And I'm going to place 12. And these right here also have the foldovers on both ends. All right. So I'll be back here in just a few moments, and we'll go ahead and put the other pieces on after the hair dries. And you want to watch it and make sure that it dries and that you move it around where it needs to go and then just leave it alone. All right, we'll see you in the next lesson.